So step one is really about you and your attitude. The really important thing to remember is that you're entering a competition. It's an elimination process. It's not about how well known your organisation is, it's about how you actually write your proposal. There are two kinds of actual funding. One is in a crisis situation where many donors will fund you, the organisation, all your activities, all of your staff, everything that you will do. But in a period of stability, a donor actually wants to fund something which is a development. And step three is actually thinking about the logic of what it is you're going to do. So again, look at what the funder is asking for. What are their aims and what are their goals? And then think about what do you do? So you've got their goals, you've got what you do. And then think about how you meet in the middle. And the result is to think about the results of your activities. So if you run workshops, what do they result in? And how does that result feed into the goals of the funder? So that middle bit is really important. It's the logic of the project. Spend a lot of time on doing that. Write it down. A bad budget is where you just put one lump sum for a workshop or any activity that you do. Really think like an accountant and break everything down to the smallest unit you can possibly do. So think about how many participants there will be, how many bus trips will they need to get to the centre, how many cups of coffee you'll need to provide people, how many overnight accommodation you will do. And once you've done that full budget, then look at what is the maximum amount a donor will pay for, and then rework the budget until you actually have got down to the right amount. And basically the text is very simple. All it is the budget and the logic of the project written in one form. So you're actually copying something which has already been agreed by your partners, by your stakeholders, and it will follow exactly the budget, the logic, and what the funder wants. And that is a simple way to write a proposal.